Hello everyone! We will walk you through the Dual Sync Multivendor Marketplace for Shopify. It helps to edit product details in Shopify, like the title of the product, and those changes are instantly updated in your marketplace. No extra steps, just seamless sync. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, log into your Multivendor admin panel by entering your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Product Configuration section and search for Dual Sync. Enable the Dual Sync product option and save the changes. Next, go to the Product section and open Dual Sync products. Choose which product fields you want to sync automatically, such as title, description, and price. Then click on Save Changes. That's it! You have successfully configured Dual Sync. Here's how it works in action. Go to your Shopify store and make edits to your products. For example, change the title or update the price. Wait for a short time while the back-end queue processes the update. After that, the changes will appear automatically in your Multivendor Marketplace app. As you can see, the title has been updated. And that's all about the Dual Sync feature in Multivendor Marketplace for Shopify. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.